recording.
Oh,
Zachary,
what?
got the camera. Hold it.
Okay.
What? Zoom out.
I can't
Back
see.
up.
Okay.
Hey, you recording it?
Yeah, it's ready. Oh my gosh, it's like a volcano. But it smells like baking soda.
Well, you've been to a vinegar, that's all.
Oh, dude, watch out for the stick. Ah! It's leaking! Leaking to my feet. I don't know how long I keep spraying my feet. Okay, it's keep recording, it's still recording. Whoa. That doesn't get to my feet. Yeah, sure. Okay. But, and the next round, you gotta let me play it.
Okay. Take number 10.
Okay. Here, let me get on the ground. I'm getting tired of standing. Take action. Action. Anything wrong?
Oh, I got it.
Hi, kitty. kitty. Okay, for this time we had vinegar, actually baking soda. Okay, see, you can see that. As you can see, there's some more vinegar in there.
It's erupting.
And if you look at it, it's slightly coming down. So yeah, there's a little bit more vinegar on it, so yeah, not a big deal. Cut.
Stop, don't press anything. Did you press something?
No, not yet.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay, Jake. Take action. Part 2. Catch the paper, Jake. Catch the paper. That's so funny. That's so funny. So, Jacob, mind telling the viewers what you're doing again?
So, I'm recording a volcano.
Yay! Blink. Okay. As you can see, he's adding. What did you add? Okay, he added the baking. He's adding the baking soda.
I'm adding baking soda.
Okay. This is how you build a volcano. Hang on, before you put in the vinegar, let me show you your volcano. See how he did it? Yeah, this is actually a model of the volcano, but his.
In one day.
Yep, he did in one day. So, if you could put these designs, might get out of the light so they can see it. If you make it like that, with gray, red, yellow, and some brown and green.
You don't have to.
Yeah, you can add any color you want. Okay, and now he's got add.
And I'll put everything that I used to put this volcano in the description, alright?
Okay, now he's got add the vinegar.
So you don't need a voiceover.
And here we go. What's gonna happen? I wouldn't add too much vinegar. Okay.
Alright, this is the last time I'm going to erupt it.
Hey Jacob, at the next video, can I try it? Come on, please. You never let me try it.